We have Tim, and Tim says, I took some time off from singing. How can I get back into it?
Sing.
Sing, play with it. I mean, for a moment, for a little while, don't overthink it. Don't think that you're necessarily going to start off doing everything that you did back in the day and comparing yourself to your former version of yourself. Play with stuff that's relatively easy for you and start to expand your skills from there would be my suggestion. And kind of similarly, when you practice, start off, and be aware. Always let your voice be your guide. If you feel like you're getting tired after 20, 30 minutes, then you might kind of give yourself a little bit of a break and then come back later. But long story short, I think one of the biggest things that I see people do, especially that take breaks and come back, is they end up feeling like they should be able to do everything that they did before, even though they took, 10, 20 years off. And it's like, bruh. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's kind of like riding a bicycle, but at the same point in time, you have to kind of get back into it and develop some of those habits. You've probably worked in other habits in your voice over the last little bit that you've taken in the time that you've taken off, just through your speaking and whatnot. So be patient with it, play with it, have fun with it. Try not to get in your head about it. It's really probably the biggest thing that I'd suggest.
Nice.